If your offer ads used to work and now they do not, this is most likely the reason. And more importantly, I'm going to share with you what you can do about it right now. Now, every single offer ad that you run is only relevant to a small pocket of your total audience. We're talking about 1 to 2% of the people that your ads can actually reach. Now, that pocket sees your ad, they respond, they book in a call, and they become a client. Yay! But over time, that same pocket keeps seeing the same ad again and again and again. And eventually, those people will stop paying attention to it completely. This is what's called ad fatigue, and it is the single most common reason that previously successful offer ads slowly stop producing the result. And here's what makes it worse. When the bookings start to thin out, the natural instinct for most ads managers is to increase the budget. But increasing your spend on a fatiguing ad does not fix that problem. It actually makes the fatigue happen faster. So here is a simple habit that keeps this from derailing your results. Every single week, you create 5 new ad creatives, not 5 new campaigns, not a new offer, and definitely not a completely new strategy. Just 5 fresh angles on that same core message. And you're going to introduce it on a regular weekly cycle. Now, our mentor does this every Monday without exception, and it is this single habit that keeps her cost per lead stable as her budget grows. Here's how you can make this manageable. First thing, pick one core result that your offer delivers, write it down in a clear sentence. This is your foundation for this week. And then every angle you write this week will come back to this same result, just approach from a different direction. Step 2, write 5 short ad angles from 5 different entry points. One angle could open with the problem your client is experiencing right now. One could open with a result that the client has recently achieved. One could challenge a common belief that your audience holds about why their ads are not working, for example. And one could speak directly to the fear of wasting ad spend, for another example. And one could be just a simple, direct statement of what your offer does and who it's for. See, 5 angles, same destination, 5 different kind of like doors. And then step 3, publish all 5 at the start of each week and let the data show you which pocket of audience responds to each angle. And over time, you're going to learn the patterns and you're going to see that certain angles will consistently outperform others with certain segments of your audience. And you can learn from that, and that data becomes your creative strategy going forward too. Now, if you are scaling your budget, 5 new creatives every Monday is the cadence that keeps your numbers healthy. And if you're running a steadier strategy, you can move more slowly. But you can notice that refreshing your creative regularly is not optional if you want consistent results. Ad fatigue is predictable, which means it is also preventable. So if you would like the simple framework for writing those 5 ad angles each week without having to start from scratch every time, you can drop a line below because I can send you hours over to you. It is the same framework that my clients use to keep their offer ads producing consistent returns month after month after month.